Welcome to the Amazon Rainforest, a world that feels endless, alive, and untouched, stretching far beyond what the eye can see, where nature builds its own silence and its own sound, a place shaped by time and life itself. Here, the forest is never truly still. Birds move between the tall canopy layers. Light breaks through thick green leaves. And every corner hides small movement. Life exists even where it cannot be easily seen. Deep rivers cut through the jungle, carrying life across the forest. Quiet, steady, endless, like the heartbeat of the Amazon. High in the trees, movement continues quietly. Monkeys travel carefully across branches, alert, observant, always aware. Every sound in the forest has meaning. Every movement is part of survival. Nature never stops watching nature. As the forest grows deeper, light begins to fade. Fog slowly fills the space between trees, and the jungle feels heavier, almost timeless. Even in quiet moments, life is active. Hidden predators rest in silence, waiting, blending into shadows, while rivers continue their constant motion below. The balance between stillness and movement never breaks. Tiny creatures live everywhere around this world, on leaves, in water, in soil. Each one playing its role in survival. Each movement part of a larger system. Even the smallest life has meaning here. Then the rain returns again, first soft, then stronger, falling through endless layers of green, feeding the forest, refreshing every path. The jungle responds like it has always known this rhythm. As the rain slowly fades, the forest breathes again in calm. Birds return to their places. Sounds of life rise gently once more. Balance is restored across the jungle. The Amazon is not just a forest. It is a living world, constantly breathing, constantly changing, and always alive.